What's up, internet? My name is Kyle, back with another episode talking about cameras and tech and all that good stuff. Today, we're going to talk about this lens and how it only costs $32. Welcome back to another episode. So I just showed you guys this lens. I've talked about it before. This is in my lens collection video. It is the Fotasy or Fotasy, not sure how you pronounce it, 35mm CCTV lens at a 1.7 aperture. It's $32.81 on Amazon right now for the US, so it's very cheap, and it is a security camera type lens. CCTV stands for closed circuit television. So basically what they did is they slapped a E-mount adapter on the back of this, and then you can put it on your Sonya6000. Now this lens is not the best lens in the world, but I think it's really cool. I don't really use it that often, except for when I want to put it on and get some really cool kind of vintagey shots around our house of our dogs, our cat, and just like the outside and stuff like that. It's a manual lens, so there's no autofocus like the Sigma that I have on my camera right now. But for $32, I would never expect some kind of autofocus technology. There are a bunch of other lenses like this, but I haven't tried them. I would like to try them, so I may get some more of these in the future. It's really cool. It's got this metal type body. Oh, I just dropped the cap. So I was showing this lens in another video I did, my lens collection video, which if you haven't seen, I'll link it up here. And if you have seen that, you would have seen I was like unscrewing the front because I thought the lens cap was like screwed on. Definitely not. And two of you guys commented, thank you very much, and said, hey, I think you're doing that wrong. And I was definitely doing it wrong. So on the front, there's this, which is a plastic lens cap, which all you have to do is pop it off. I don't know why I felt like I needed to unscrew it, but what I actually did, I unscrewed this part right here, which is the inner barrel. Well, not the very inner barrel, but it's a part of the barrel that focuses the lens, and don't do that. So by accident, I was taking apart the lens without even realizing it, but now I know better, so there you go. Thank you, internet. So I took some photos and some video today of what this little guy is capable of, so I want to show you right now. So yeah, I didn't know how to take it apart, or I didn't know how to take the lens cap off. I'm not great at manual focusing, but I like this lens a lot. I've only used it like 3 times, but I'm definitely gonna use it more. Now, if you guys like this lens or you wanna have it, you're in luck because I'm gonna give one away. I know, it's not the Sony 35mm 1.8. I know, that lens is awesome, but that lens is $400+. This lens is $32, and if you're lucky, you'll get one from me. Let me explain. So in the past like 2 weeks or so since I've been doing these videos, my videos and views and subscriber count has just skyrocketed, and I wanted to give back to you guys. Every day I'm thinking of new video ideas, and I'm so excited to sit down in front of the camera and create things and talk about things that I'm passionate about. And that's because you guys are responding, you're commenting, you're having discussions with me throughout the day. It's amazing, and I wanted to give back in some little tiny way. So for passing 1,000 subscribers, I just wanted to show my appreciation, and I'm gonna give away a Fotasy or Fotasy, however you say it, 35mm lens to anybody who is subscribed and comments on this video. That's all you need to do. Be a subscriber, be part of our community, and comment. It could be anything. It could be, hey, Kyle, you have nice hair, or I like your dogs, or I like this lens. Whatever you want to say, go ahead and say it. I'll do a random generator to just pick somebody who has commented, and then I'll just verify that you're a subscriber, and boom, I'll mail it to your house. Doesn't matter if you live in Iceland or Chile or Mexico, I'll send it wherever. I really hope I don't regret that, but I'll do it. I'll send it anywhere in the world. Oh, before I forget, this comes with a cap on the top, but it doesn't come with a rear. It doesn't come with a rear. It doesn't come with a butt. So to fix that, there are these guys, which aren't Sony branded lens caps, but I found them on Amazon for, I believe, $8. And it comes with 2 rear caps and 2 body caps, which are really cool. And boom, like so, there you go. You have a sealed up lens without stuff getting in it. So yeah, I thought that was a good find. I wanted the Sony ones, but they were like twice the price. I'll put a link in the description for the lens caps and the lens. And then, like I said, just comment and you'll have a chance to win one of these guys. This is the box, what it looks like. The brand new one's in there. It's a little banged up, but it's brand new. I haven't opened this one up, so you'll be the first one to open it. Also on the inside, this is the dot that you line up with the white dot on the body of your camera to mount it. And this is what it looks like mounted on the Sony a6000. I think it actually looks really cool. I was watching some other videos where YouTubers thought it doesn't look that cool. It looks a little weird. I don't know, I think it gives like a super vintagey look to it. Like this is a camera that would be on somebody's bookshelf or something like that. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you like my little mini review of the Fotasy 35mm. I am so stoked to give this lens away. I've never done a giveaway on YouTube before, so it feels really good to give something to the community. And thank you one more time for just all of your guys' support and just commenting and everything like that. My favorite thing ever is to nerd out with other nerds. So I've pretty much been doing that since I've been posting these camera videos. So thank you. It really means a lot to me. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Later.